Whether you have breakfast, brunch, lunch, or even dinner, I have something quick and very tasty for you today: quiche. It is part of French cuisine. It has a lot of elements to it. It's not only this delicious pastry crust or egg custard, but there are vegetables, cheese, or even seafood. And today I prepare one recipe with 2 different flavors. Let me show you how to make the crust. Here I'm making 2 portions. I'm sifting 3 cups all-purpose flour and I'm adding 200 grams soft unsalted butter. Combine all the ingredients, then you can wrap it with your parchment paper or aluminum foil and pop it to the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes. Here, I'm pressing my pie crust to my tart pan, just like that, which has removable bottom. This way, it would be easier for me to remove the pie after it's done. Like I mentioned, I'm making 2 different pies, so here I'm starting already with my second one. Cut the edges, poke tiny holes with your fork, and we'll bake the pie crust slightly before adding the filling. Next step, very important. We'll create weight in the dish. This way it helps crust to keep its shape while it's baking and preventing large bubbles in the crust as well. You can use for that dry beans, or in my situation I'm just using plain utensils. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes in 350 degrees. For the filling, I'm chopping here half red onion with 1 white onion and mushrooms. We'll slightly simmer our veggies for 2 to 3 minutes. For the seasoning, I'm using salt and pepper. When our mushrooms are ready, I'm removing from the heat and adding garlic. Our last step is egg custard. In large bowl, whisk together 2 eggs, milk, 2 tablespoons sour cream, salt, pepper, and Italian parsley. This is how your crust should look. For your first pie, add tuna fish on the bottom with your mushroom and onions, and your egg mixture on top. For the second pie, add mushroom on the bottom with shrimps. I steam and chop them. And of course your egg mixture. Bake both of them 30 to 40 minutes in 360 degrees until the filling is nice golden brown. Cannot wait to dig in. It smells so amazing here. Highly recommend this quiche recipe. Your family, especially your kids, will love it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe. This way you won't miss my next video. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.